Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to install CarPlay on my dad's Honda Accord. To be very honest with you, I am not doing it myself. I'm going to a place called Cartronics. They have good reviews. I'm just hoping that they don't scam me, like they don't give me horrible prices. But yeah, this is my dad's 2008 Honda Accord EX. They bought this car brand new. It actually has pretty little miles. However, the lack of tint over the years and then the last few years not wanting to spend too much money have definitely kind of eaten away at the car. There's a fly in here.
Indeed, those of you who turned back on the day the two enemies met.
I don't know what this is. I don't like it. Can I turn that off? But yeah, we're gonna get CarPlay installed in this car. Hopefully, it's not too difficult. Here's a CarPlay system. It wasn't that expensive. Honestly, all the ones for the Honda Accords that I've been able to see are all the same price. They're all about $90. But this one, I mean, they're all the same. If you look up Honda Accord 2008, the main thing is that I guess his AC is finally working. I can't tell. I feel like that's just fan air. Yeah, I'm pretty sure his AC doesn't work. Oh no, maybe I think that's cold air. It wasn't working for a long time. He was convinced it was working. But yeah, this has a rear dash cam. I believe include or a rear backup camera. It's gonna be right here. This is gonna have to move right there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless and everything. So it's gonna be nice. And then the only thing is, I think it like kind of hacks into like the aux or something, but I don't think he cares about that. I didn't realize like how much stuff this car really had. So this is also gonna be functional. It's just this is gonna be down here. Yeah, this is a inline-4 VTEC 2.4 liter. No turbos. This is a real Honda madness right here. This thing is very heavy and sturdy. These are very popular cars, very reliable. And yeah, we are at, how do I cycle through? We are at 170,000 miles, so this car is still brand new. It's mainly just like it's creaky and stuff because it's lived in Florida. It hasn't had tint. And my dad hasn't done the same amount of maintenance as he probably should. So, I mean, that's the number one thing. Like, you can have a Toyota, you can have a Honda, they are reliable, but really, you should maintain it on its schedule, and they will look brand new, and they will drive brand new for, like, 400,000 miles. So, that's the only thing with this car. But yeah, let's go get this thing CarPlayed. Hopefully it's not expensive, because they are going to have to rip up the whole side and whatever. I'm also gonna see if they can like fix up his key because it's all like messed up. And yeah, this is for his birthday, which was August. I'm not gonna say the date, but it was in August and September. I just haven't had the time to go and take it, especially because he lives at two houses, my house and then another house that my sister and brother-in-law are buying. He just kind of sits there and kind of makes sure that it's all right until they can move into it. So yeah, let's get going. All right, everyone, we're back in the 08 Accord. I really don't remember what the last recording was, but we were getting CarPlay installed in this 08 Accord. This is my father's car. This was a birthday gift. His birthday was over a month ago. It's not actually October 1st. This is wrong. It's September 30th. Long story short, this is like an $89 CarPlay unit. They're all the same on Amazon. First time we got it installed, didn't have the radio code, but now that we have the radio code, everything's chilling. And then we found out that this one was actually faulty, and audio was not coming through at all. Backup camera did not work at all. And the guys were like, that's kind of what happens with cheap like Android units. Our stuff takes over their system. It doesn't use this stuff anymore. But luckily, we were able to get it to work. This is a replacement unit. So let's say if we go to the radio right now, should be able to hear. I think I have to adjust the volume here. How do I? There we go. Oh gosh, that's so loud. Okay, so for example, we're on the radio.
Taken from human skin cells.
I don't know what this is, but it does sound good. It sounds perfectly fine. So it actually runs through the old system. My dad does not like when I take stuff out, But I would have put the old system down here. Unfortunately, it looks like the screen got damaged. I actually see this pretty often with this stuff. I think this was just already broken. I really don't know what happened. But he's still able to use his CDs. He's still able to use FM and everything through here. And this runs through the aux, which is hidden in here, so he doesn't have to use the aux anymore. And obviously this does have Android Auto and CarPlay. I just don't have this phone connected because otherwise the audio is going to sound funny. It's going to go off of this unit's microphone. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. I mean, like, you have a theme manager, so you can, like, put different themes. I think that's, like, the best one I could pick out of all of them. They all look pretty bad, if I'm being honest. I mean, I'm fine with, like, this one over here, but then, like, I couldn't figure out the, I don't know, it's, like, stuck in kilometers per hour, and I can't be bothered to fix that right now. And this does have a backup camera, so if I were to put this in reverse, it instantly switches. I haven't been able to figure out the whole, like, setting up lines and everything and whatnot, but that is for, that's for later. So that's everything there. But yeah, I'll link in the description below. $80. Nice little birthday gift for my dad because he's been driving around a lot more. So, you know, he has CarPlay now in the car, and I don't know. I think they might be planning to get another car. If they do, maybe I'll do some other stuff to this car just for fun. Maybe we could do an exhaust. Maybe we can do intake and just a tune. I've never used a Honda before, so that could be a cool new experience. And right now my expenses are getting a little lowered, hopefully in the next few months. So I am thinking about trying to pay off my car down a little bit quicker, getting the paint fixed and whatnot, and then maybe trying to get a GR86. And then we obviously have my girlfriend's Mini Cooper S in the limited edition coral red color. I'm gonna do a full proper video on it. Right now I'm just waiting on some money to have my, what do you call it, the dash cam wired into the car so it's always active, and then having a router to the back.